Are you struggling with removing supports or smoothing prints? Finding the best heat gun for 3D printing can make all the difference. Whether you're refining ABS, PLA, or resin prints, the right tool ensures precision and efficiency. Let's explore top-rated heat guns that elevate your 3D printing experience. Number 1. Seekone Heat Gun. The Seekone Heat Gun is a high-performance tool designed for efficiency and precision. With an impressive 1800 W of power, it heats up rapidly, reaching a maximum temperature of 1202/650 in just 1.5 seconds. It offers two modes for flexible use. Mode I provides a temperature range of 5450 with an airflow of 190-210 liters per minute, while Mode 2 increases to 5650 with an airflow of 250-500 liters per minute. The variable temperature control, managed through a rheostat-type dial, allows for accurate heat adjustments to suit various tasks. Additionally, the overheat protection feature prevents potential damage to the unit, ensuring safety and durability. Designed with user comfort in mind, the ergonomic handle minimizes strain, making it ideal for prolonged use. Its versatility is one of its standout features, as it can handle tasks like shrinking heat shrink tubes, removing paint, thawing frozen pipes, loosening rusted bolts, and even softening adhesives. It comes equipped with 4 specialized nozzles, a deflector nozzle for concentrated heat, 2 concentrator nozzles for directing airflow precisely, and a reflector nozzle for even heat distribution. These attachments make it a perfect choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The package includes the heat gun itself, for nozzles, and a user manual for easy setup and operation. With strong build quality and excellent functionality, the Seekone Heat Gun is a reliable tool for a wide range of applications, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit, particularly for those in need of precise heating solutions. Number 2. Black & Decker Heat Gun. The Black & Decker Heat Gun is a versatile and powerful tool designed for various applications, from stripping paint to loosening rusted nuts and thawing frozen pipes. This 1350W heat gun features dual temperature settings, allowing users to switch between 750 and 1000 based on their specific needs. This flexibility ensures it can handle both delicate and demanding tasks with ease. The built-in stand enhances safety by providing a secure resting position during cooldown, minimizing the risk of accidental burns or damage to surfaces. One of its key highlights is the 3-position side handle, which offers a comfortable grip and improved control, allowing for precise maneuverability during extended use. Despite its powerful heating capabilities, the heat gun remains lightweight and compact, reducing muscle fatigue and making it easy to handle. Its corded design ensures unlimited runtime, eliminating the inconvenience of battery replacements and providing consistent performance for prolonged tasks. The Black & Decker Heat Gun is built for durability and reliability, ensuring long-term use in both professional and DIY settings. The package includes one HG1300 heat gun, and users are advised to consult the manual for safe operation and optimal performance. Whether you need a dependable tool for home improvement projects or industrial applications, this heat gun delivers high performance and convenience. Its blend of power, versatility, and user-friendly features makes it an excellent investment for anyone seeking an efficient and safe heating tool for various applications. Number 3. Seekone Heat Gun for 3D Printing. The Seekone Heat Gun for 3D printing is a reliable tool designed to meet the needs of crafters, DIYers, and professionals alike. Featuring a powerful 1800W motor, it heats up quickly, reaching temperatures up to 1112 in seconds. It comes with 2 temperature settings. Mode I operates at 752 with an airflow of 250 liters per minute, while Mode 2 reaches 1112 with an airflow of 500 liters per minute. This ensures precise heat control, making it perfect for working with heat-sensitive materials. Safety is a top priority with this model, as it is UL certified and equipped with overheat protection to prevent accidents and prolong its lifespan. The handle is wrapped in TPE rubber, providing a comfortable, non-slip grip, while the flame-retardant PA6 nylon composite material around the air outlet ensures additional protection. The built-in stand adds convenience and helps reduce hand fatigue during prolonged use. This heat gun is highly versatile, making it suitable for a variety of applications such as stretch leather, crafting embossing, drying foggy headlights, and even cooking. The package includes the heat gun, for nozzles, and a user manual. With its combination of power, precision, and durability, the Seekone Heat Gun for 3D printing is an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their crafting and repair projects. Number 4. Prulde Mini Heat Gun. The Prulde Mini Heat Gun is a compact yet powerful tool designed for small-scale heating applications. With a 380W motor, it reaches a maximum temperature of 850 for 50 and an airflow of 200 liters per minute within seconds, ensuring quick and efficient performance. It features 2 adjustable temperature settings, low at for 80, 250 and high at 850 for 50, making it perfect for precision tasks that require controlled heating. Weighing only 0.8 pounds, this heat gun is lightweight and easy to maneuver, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The ergonomic design includes a built-in metal bracket, allowing hands-free operation for enhanced safety and convenience. Its 6.56-foot power cord offers flexibility, enabling users to reach tight spaces effortlessly. Designed with safety in mind, this ETL-certified heat gun features an overload protection program to prevent overheating and extend its service life. Its high-quality insulating material ensures stability and user safety. The Prulde Mini Heat Gun is ideal for various applications, including vinyl wrapping, crafting, heat shrinking, wire connectors, and electronics repairs. With a concentration nozzle included for precise heating, this tool is a must-have for professionals and hobbyists looking for a compact and efficient heat gun. Number 5. Seekone 1800W Heat Gun. The Seekone 1800W Heat Gun is a professional-grade tool equipped with a large LCD display for precise temperature control. Featuring 2 adjustable temperature settings, it offers a range from 12750, 5400 in Mode I and 1201100, 5600 in Mode 2. Additionally, users can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit with a simple button press. Built with safety in mind, this heat gun includes an integrated overheat protection system to prevent damage and a power-off delay function that allows the heating element to cool down before shutting off completely. This extends the device's lifespan and improves user safety. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, making it suitable for stripping paint, bending pipes, lighting charcoal, softening cork, and removing rusted bolts. With durable construction and precise heat control, the Seekone 1800W Heat Gun is an excellent tool for professionals and DIYers alike. Whether working on household projects or industrial applications, this heat gun offers outstanding performance, reliability, and convenience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.